yung statement mo na ayaw mong itigin mo, bobo na ang nasa administration. Sinabi ng palasyo na emotional ka daw at may pasaying pa na when emotions are high, intelligence are slow, but never speak out of anger.
No, I'm not angry. I'm just stating a matter of fact. Hindi ako emotional. Nakita nyo naman ako kung paano ako maging emotional. Hindi pa ako umaabot doon. I'm just stating a fact that really kulang-kulang yung brain cells ng mga taong nagsasalita para sa administration.
Follow-up, diversionary tactics mula ng statement mo na ikaw ang front-runner sa 2028 election at gusto kang pabagsakin ng administration.
Oh, of course not. So, let's just say na diversionary tactic ko yung yung presidential elections for 2028. Hypothetically, ganun yon. So, lumipat tayo sa ibang rason kung bakit nila ako atakihin. What they are doing is what is called political scapegoating. Kapag